Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I have the LaTraxx 720p camera, and I'm curious how this thing works and how it looks. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up and check it out with you. This is part number 6660. It's the camera for the Alias 720p HD, 12 megapixels, so not too bad. I think the video might look pretty cool. It does require a micro SD card. So I picked one up, 64 gigabytes. That should be plenty for what I want to do. Alright, so I'll get this thing opened up. Alright, so in the pack you actually get the camera. This is a plug and play camera, it says, so we'll see how that goes. There are two small screws and the instruction sheet. Alright, so the installation looks to be really simple. Looks like just the two screws here. There is the longer piece at the bottom. It just plugs directly into the side here. That's what will feed it power. So pretty simple hookup. Alright, so this looks to be pretty simple. Looks like you hit the right top toggle for the video start and stop. You can also take digital photos, which is pretty cool. Alright, so since I got this Alias, it has been super windy every day, 20 plus mile an hour winds. So it's really tough to fly this quadcopter in any type of wind since it's so light. But I want to see what the camera looks like, so I'm going to try to get a little shot of the garage here. And one, it's for me, I want to see how it looks, and two, you'll get a chance to see it as well. Alright guys, so that's about it for the LaTraxx Alias camera here. Hey, thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, please click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and have a great day. I'll see you all soon.